Now that we have taken a second pass through the passage, we can summarize some of the facts and influences related to this problem and solution. Summarizing them using the graphic organizer can help us better understand how they impact the problem, solution, and result, and help us organize our ideas. In our passage, we note most importantly that extreme poverty is a current problem around the world for 2.6 billion people. It's increased by poor infrastructure, drought, and war. By understanding these influences, we can better understand what type of solutions may or may not help address this problem. When considering what influences the solution, we can see that for the solution to work, that is, investments in education, health, jobs, etc., wealthy countries and organizations will need to invest. From our passage, it's unclear what has led to this solution. This might make it hard for people to understand or accept. Lastly, we want to consider this problem, solution, and result as a whole and make some inferences about why this is a problem and why this might be a good solution. The effects of the problem may be evident in our reading, or we may need to reflect on what we know about these types of problems to infer why the situation is a problem. In the case of our article, the article refers specifically to several reasons why poverty is a problem. Specifically, the passage indicates poverty is a problem because people can't afford food or basic necessities. When we consider why investing in education, health, and jobs and relieving debt is good, we can infer that having more resources must then allow people in poverty to purchase basic necessities. More broadly, it probably also aids the country's basic economy as well. Finally, investing in impoverished nations is important because it leads to improved quality of life for the world's poorest citizens. Congratulations on completing the graphic organizer for a problem solution text. Now we will ask you to read one additional passage and answer questions related to this passage.